What up, guys? Today we have a fidget spinner to look at today. I'm gonna show you guys. You can see the front wheel, not yet. You can see part of it right there. And I'm gonna be opening it. I'm showing it to the camera in 3, 2, 1. You know what it is? It's this guy right here. Ooh, ooh. Look in the camera. It looks like a stopping in the camera. But this is insane because, oh my god, this is like, I got this yesterday and this been like for like 3 minutes or 6. Probably, I think it's been like for 4 minutes. I haven't timed it yet. But let's time on my phone real quick. Okay, it's 1%. It's 1%. And so it spins really good. If I ever do like trying to spin my fidget spinner for 24 hours, I'll spin this one. I'll be like, if it spins so fast, I'm not gonna spin like every like 2 seconds. I'll like spin like, because I am gonna spin for 25 hours, so it's gonna be really bad. I can balance it on one finger. It doesn't feel balanced because it's like a fidget spinner doesn't feel like really balanced. Because if you do like this, it'll be like falling off your hand. Because it's not balanced. It's not like really balanced because the two sides, sides one don't go fast usually, but the Lamborghini ones do go fast. So yeah. You could also try this like a necklace, like put it, because you can also like, if it wasn't like in the middle, you could like spin it in your necklace, but it will be spinning slow. But I don't want to take the finger pads off, but yeah. Peace.